Monte Rosa gets in. That completes the line. Star as orders, and away they jump out. Perfect line on all the contestants. And sorting themselves out. On the outside, it's Monte Rosa takes the charge by about 2.5 lengths in front of Halchal from the outside draw, showing plenty of speed to be well up with the pace, but towards the fence is Valley Tiger, a clear second. Then comes Halchal, followed by Alceda towards the fence, running one deep. Valley Tiger from the outside draw, clear sixth. A length behind is Pentagon. Down the outside is Cannon Grey. 2 lengths behind Upon a Star, followed by Bullish Approach, and Nautanki is last, with Valley Tiger now leading by about 3 parts towards the fence, and 3 parts of a length behind is Monte Rosa, followed by Sir Walter Raleigh, now taking off into a clear third. Halchal comes in next, joined on the outside by Cannon Grey, followed by Pentagon. On handy 8th at this stage is Bullish Approach, now taken on the inside by Alceda. 3 parts of a length behind is Upon a Star. 2 lengths behind comes Nautanki, who sits nearly 10 lengths from the leader, which is Valley Tiger, leading by about 3 parts, crossing the 1,000. Sir Walter Raleigh in pursuit, followed by Cannon Grey into third towards the fence. Already under pressure is Monte Rosa, joined by Pentagon. Then comes Halchal, followed by Nautanki on the outside. Towards the fence is Alceda, and last is Upon a Star. And back to the leader now, Valley Tiger showing the way to Sir Walter Raleigh. Just half a length between these two, and now on the outside there is Nautanki into a clear third. Then comes Cannon Grey as they start to negotiate the turn. Pentagon still holding on in fifth as they swing in, taking the turn. 6th deep is Bullish Approach, followed by Halchal and Upon a Star, with Alceda in the last in the crowd. Inside the last 375 with Nautanki a shot into the lead. By about 3 parts in front of Pentagon, 2.5 to 3 lengths, 5 lengths behind is Sir Walter Raleigh, followed by Valley Tiger, Cannon Grey. Then comes Bullish Approach, but inside the last 150 with Nautanki on an empty tank. Towards the fence is Pentagon leveling up. Pentagon and Nautanki strike for striking off with Pentagon and Nautanki. Pentagon. So body of the heads in that Pentagon just got it from